And what do you look to a board to do?
You know, the first thing I'll say is when you have a business that's changing very rapidly, if you have 5 or 6 meetings a year, it's incredibly hard for somebody on a board to know a whole lot about your business. So, you know, one of the things that we've done for a while now is we have this thing called Director Day. And we require each director we give them a list of areas in the business, and they get to select their first, second, third choice. They're required every year to go into the business, into one part of the business, for a whole day and learn everything there is to know about that. We're not there. We're not, you know, kind of watching them or anything. And then they're supposed to, they have to come back to the board meeting and report what they learned. And I found that increases their knowledge and understanding of actually what the company does tremendously. Because, you know, somebody comes in, presents for an hour, here's what we're doing in China. Okay, fine. You know, how much of that did you really capture? It's just very, very hard. So I think that's helped a lot. But what we've looked for the board, you know, to help us avoid some of the potholes that they might have seen, you know, in their experience, and to kind of, you know, be a sanity check on our plans and our strategies. Not so much for technological advice, which is extremely hard to get, you know, in a board sense, but more on, you know, on does this business strategy make sense, and helping us evaluate the team. We have a pretty well established process in Dell now where we evaluate our leaders and the development capacity, and we go through that with our board as well for all of our senior leaders, so they kind of see how our leaders are developing.
Yeah.